I'm sorry if I'm missing out few names. Everybody, hi. So my name is Renuka
Hi.
and I'm going to conduct this classes for you. How many of you like drawing and painting here? I guess all.
Ma'am,
Okay.
yes. I like
One by one,
coloring.
one by one.
I like coloring. I like
Okay, chalo, let's start.
math.
So you all know, right? We are going to draw this toucan bird. Okay, I'll just switch on off my video and let's focus on the drawing. Keep your paper in vertical way, in standing way. See, this shorter side. Yes, Anvi, yes, that way. Keep your paper that way.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, like this.
Yes, Madhav.
Ma'am,
Right.
like this. Ma'am,
Yes.
like this.
Yes, Madhav.
Ma'am, like this.
See, I've kept it in standing way, right? Vertical. I'm keeping my paper vertical.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Now, in the center of the page, I'm going to draw a curve line like this. And I'm going to draw one more. Just like the way we draw letter S. Just make an S.
Oh. Ma'am, mother, can you see how I've drawn? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Madhav, good, but draw it at the bottom, Madhav. See, I've drawn it little down, right, of my page. Now, I'm going to draw a slant line like this. Like a big slant line.
Ma'am, like this.
Yes, Madhav.
Ma'am, like this. Ma'am, is it like this? Done, ma'am.
Done?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
everybody know how to write a C, right? So
No,
from
ma'am.
ABCD नहीं आता.
Yes, ma'am, we know.
Letter C. The way we write letter C. So from here, I am going to make a big C joining here.
Wait, ma'am. Ma'am, like a P, slanting P.
Yeah, stunting, not exactly P, it's more like letter Q. Small letter Q, right? Those who are done can show me. I can see the screens. One by one, okay? I'll see everyone's. Ashraf, good. Tanmay, I can't see it actually properly. Yes, Tanmay, good. Jasvi, good. Anvi, yes, I saw yours. Good job. Arya, good job. Someone you remove your background. I can't see it. Jia, good. Madhav, good. Durva, very good. Divit, good. Okay. Anya also very good. Riyansh, good. Then I have some
And we
missing out the name, but everyone has done a good job. Okay. Now let's move towards the next step. Okay. Okay. Now from this point, I'm going to draw a slant line like this. It is slant, right?
Yes, ma'am. See how much is measure?
It measures approximately 3 fingers. It should be 3 fingers long. Next, let's complete the beak. Now, again, I'll keep 2 fingers distance here. Okay. And after that, I'm going to draw a line little longer than the first line. And one more line
longer.
at the bottom. This is little shorter than the second line, okay?
Ma'am, can we use ruler?
Yes, you can use rulers.
Ma'am, there are total 3 planting lines. I am Madhav. I want to ask the middle line, how much it would long?
It should be little longer than your first line. So see, if my first line is of 5 centimeters, the second line should be of 7 centimeters.
Okay.
Okay, you can draw it little smaller also, depending upon the size of your page.
Ma'am,
Okay, now I'm going to join this point and this point with a curved line like this. Don't unmute yourself, just show me thumbs up, those who are done.
ma'am, this is photo of the.
This is a bird called as toucan.
Ma'am, what?
Toucan. Toucan. Okay, next is, I guess almost everyone is done. So after drawing this curved line, I'm
Ma'am,
going,
please wait.
okay, going to join this like this way.
Is
Yes,
it
you
like
do the
what?
next step. Do this next step.
Ma'am, it is like a feather.
Yes, it is the wing. So it's sitting sideways, right?
Ma'am, we should draw it as a drop shape, right?
Yes, like a teardrop or water drop. And then I'm going to erase this line inside my wing because that is not visible.
Ma'am, it likes a bird is sitting on a tree branch. Done.
Yes, yes, the bird is sitting on the tree branch. Now, see from here, I'm going to draw the tail. For the tail, I'm going to draw one more slant line like this.
Ma'am.
Down. Yes, and join it with a curve. Now, I'm going to erase this branch part also from the tail. Done? Now let's draw some flowers and the leaves. We're sitting on a branch, right? So from here,
Ma'am,
1 minute, I'm drawing a curve like this and then joining it with another curve from the bottom. Okay, so one leaf is done. I'm going to draw a center line like this, and I'll draw one leaf at the bottom. So one curve here and join it with other curve.
done, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't make the bottom. Can you tell me again?
You can't make the tail, this part or the leaf part? This part?
Ma'am, what is this bird name? Ma'am, the bottom leaf.
Bottom leaf, okay. See, for the bottom leaf, I'm going to draw a curve line from here like this. Yeah, the bird's name is Toucan. Toucan. And then I'm going to join mother with the other curve. So now I'm going to make one more leaf like this facing upwards and one at the bottom. Now let's draw some flowers. So for the flower, I'm going to draw a tiny O, one here and one on the top. To draw the leaf, make one curve line like this
Okay, ma'am.
and then join it with one curve line from the bottom and then make a line in the center. Okay, then make a line in the center. Okay, okay, now let's draw the flowers. Everybody, here make a letter U upside down. Then one sideways, one normal letter U, again one sideways and one here. Same I'm going to follow on the top part. One petal, two petal, three, four,
मैम हमें कितने पेटल्स बनाने हैं?
5 petals.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm not able to draw the flower.
You're not able to draw the flower. Wait, I'll show you again. Did you make this circle here? Now, see, I'm going to write letter U upside down like this. Okay. After that, I'm going to make one more U which is sideways. This is 2. Then one U which is down. 3, 4, and the last petal is 5. I hope now you can draw it.
Okay, ma'am.
So from this top part, I'm going to make a line coming down like this. And again I'm going to make some leaves.
One more branches.
Show me your drawings, but don't unmute yourself. I'll see it and I'll tell everybody by name, okay? Just hold your picture near the camera. And wait so that I can see everybody's drawing. Yes, Divit, good. Jinal, good. Anvi, good job. Sanvi, Varnika, Riyansh, Shreya, Ishu, Madhav, good job. Tanmay and Janvi, good job. Jasvi, good job. Then I have Anya, good. Anvi, good. Arya, Inuya, Arshi, Riyansh Jindal, good. Jagruti, yes, good job. Jia, good job. Okay, so I hope everybody has crayons or oil pastels with them. If you have, just show me a thumbs up. So we are going to use our crayons or oil pastels to color today's drawing, okay? We are not going to use watercolors or paints. Any company, any size of crayons are okay for me. Okay, if whether you have a big pack, whether you have a small pack, whether you have Camlin oil pastels or Dome's oil pastels, everything is fine for me. Just no paints. Shreya, no paints. We need crayons. We need watercolors. We don't need watercolors. We need colors like this. Okay? So the first color which we are going to do is take your orange color and watch the screen carefully, okay? I'll give you time to color. But first, what I am doing.
Ma'am, please the orange color.
Yes, the orange color. Okay? Everybody look at the screen. Take any orange which you have in your box. Okay?
Oil pastels.
You can use oil pastels or crayons, any colors, any type of crayons would do. Okay? So I'm going to make an outline like this to make a thick outline. Okay, I'm going to press my color little hard, and after this I'm going to take my yellow. You can use your lemon yellow, deep yellow, golden yellow, any yellow. I'm using a lemon yellow. Those who have Camlin colors oil pastels, the number for the yellow is 236. It's written here. Okay, and I'm going to color the B.
And what is the number of orange?
Orange is 283.
Ma'am, what is the number of yellow?
236. Yes.
Ma'am?
So with dark blue number 351, I have outlined the area around my eye, and now I'm going to use my light blue or sky blue number 239. And going to color this in slipping line. Remember, always color in one direction. Okay, and don't press your color too hard. Yes, 1 minute, 1 minute, I'll tell. Next color is take your red, number
Ma'am,
350.
your name is what?
My name is Renuka.
Ma'am, which number?
350, 350. And outline the wing. Carefully, and I'm going to color one line like this. Make a thick outline. And then with pink, number 341, I'm going to color this part in standing lines. Now I'm going to use my same red color and I'm going to outline my flowers.
Ma'am, I by mistakenly colored the feather pink totally.
That's okay. So we are going to have different, by the end of the session, we are going to see a lot of different varieties of toucan, right? That's so cool. Now outline my flower and I'm going to color each petal only half with my red. And again I'm going to fill this. So okay, those who don't have pink, I'm showing you how coloring it with white looks. Okay, so I'm going to use white here instead of pink. Those who have pink, you color the petals pink. Okay, those who don't have pink, see I'm using my white to create a pink shade.
मैम फ्लावर के सर्कल में कौन सा कलर करना है?
सर्कल में येलो कलर करना है फ्लावर के. Okay, I'm going to outline my bottom flower with orange color. The same colors which I used to color my beak. Okay.
Ma'am, I don't. Okay. मैम फ्लावर के अंदर क्या करना है? कैसे कलर करना है?
फ्लावर के अंदर देखो मैं येलो कलर से कर रही हूँ. Now let's color the leaves. We are running short of time now. लीव्स कंप्लीट करते हैं, फिर बैकग्राउंड और बर्ड हम नेक्स्ट सेशन में करेंगे. ठीक है. टेक योर डार्क ग्रीन नंबर 108 और 103.
मैम मेरे पास वो कलर नहीं है.
कोई भी ग्रीन कलर लो, डार्क वाला ग्रीन कलर ले लो. Take any green that you have, but make sure it is a dark green. So what I'm doing is I'm outlining the leaf. Okay, and then I'm coloring it half. जैसे हमने फ्लावर को किया था वैसे ही हम इसको पहले आउटलाइन करेंगे और फिर उसको हाफ से फिल कर देंगे। Repeat this step for all the leaves that you have.
Ma'am, I draw only 4 leaves.
That's okay.
मैम तो हम इसकी फोटो कल भेज सकते हैं?
हाँ, हम ये ड्राइंग नेक्स्ट क्लास में कंप्लीट करेंगे। हमारा नेक्स्ट क्लास अभी सैटरडे को होगा। जब आप रजिस्टर करोगे तब ये हम कंप्लीट कर देंगे पूरी। Now take your light green after this and I'm going to fill this. फिर मैं आपको बैकग्राउंड कैसे करना है विद टिश्यू पेपर आई टीच यू। जो बैकग्राउंड है ना वो हमने टिश्यू पेपर यूज करके कलर किया है। ऑल्सो ये जो कर्व लाइन थी इसको भी मैं ग्रीन कलर पूरा करने वाली हूँ। इसमें आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनी शेडिंग।
डार्क ग्रीन?
यस। का ब्लैक कलर उसका बॉडी और बैकग्राउंड हम नेक्स्ट क्लास करेंगे बिकॉज उसका बॉडी को हमें ब्लैक कलर करना है। अगर अभी हम बॉडी कंप्लीट कर देते हैं तो फिर जब हम बैकग्राउंड करेंगे ना तो आपका ड्राइंग पूरा ब्लैक 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 हो जाएगा।
अगला सेशन कब है?
अगला सेशन होगा सैटरडे।
बहुत अच्छा ड्रॉ करा।
आप सबको मजा आया?
यस मैम। यस मैम। यस मैम।
बाय बाय।
बाय बाय मैम। बाय मैम। बाय मैम।
बाय बाय।
थैंक यू मैम। बाय मैम।